What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort. I know, again, feels like we've been living here, but we're here for another Jurassic roller coaster construction update. Hopefully there's been a lot of progress. Lauren, are we pretty much living here right now?
I think we need to set up a tent and live under Hulk at this moment.
Yeah, I think we might as well start camping at this point.
We pretty much need to. And have a churro as the tent poles.
Yeah, I agree. Well, let's get in there.
Way better
Over here at the ticket booth, not busy. And at the turnstiles, well, it looks like the right side is closed. Left side is open though. No wait. Yep, no wait to get through anything, and we are on our way. Yet again. Hooray, wait times. The park is open till 6 p.m. Let's see what Hulk is at. 20 minutes. 15 minutes for Dr. Doom, 10 minutes for Spider-Man, Kong 25 minutes, P-Flyers 10 minutes, 20 minutes for Forbidden Journey, Fly the Hippogriff 5 minutes, Poseidon's Ferry 50 minutes, 5 minutes for some of the smaller attractions, Hogwarts Express 35 minutes though, Popeye and Bluto's closed, and 25 minutes for Jurassic Park River Adventure, Dudley Do Ride's 5 minutes. Hello, Jurassic roller coaster construction project, and we can see the second support tower now rising way into the air. It's a little bit shorter than the first one, but yes, both support towers for the top hat are in place. All we need now, just track. And unfortunately, still no water effects. Hopefully that's going to change pretty soon though. You can see the big guy making some runs right now. This is the neat angle of that top hat. As we can see the track leading up and the other support tower on the other side. It's going to be a very quick transition and a very steep drop. Well, like what we've said in other videos, this first support tower is about 110 feet in the air. The other one to the right is about 105 feet, that's my guess. But the tower itself, we're guessing is going to be maybe 160 to 170 feet tall with all the track. You got to realize that is some really thick track. You can go pretty high in the air without any supports. This is good to see. We have some new track and supports for a turn that goes right underneath the first element in the first launch area. Here we can see the enclosed maintenance barn with some of the new supports right in front of it.
Building a new one.
lab and actual.
Check it out, guys. We got baby Sierra, the little velociraptor. And it looks like her trainer has changed uniforms. She's wearing Jurassic World.
This is Sierra. She is our 6-month-old baby raptor. She was hatched right here at the Jurassic World laboratories.
How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Good. Hi, Sierra. You've gotten bigger, it looks like, just in the last couple days that I've seen you.
Just 2 years, she'll weigh a whopping 1,500 pounds, so she grows pretty fast, don't you, Sierra?
Amazing. She's beautiful.
Well, thank you so much.
Yeah. And she's eventually going to go in the pen, right?
Yep, when she's about 2 years old.
Okay.
And hopefully she'll be much friendlier than Blue is in that pen.
Yeah.
We'll see, though.
Have a wonderful day, Sierra. Take care.
Bye.
Thank you. Well, that was pretty cool. We had a chance to meet baby Sierra again. But yeah, the trainer definitely had Jurassic World uniform on, and she even said Sierra was born at Jurassic World. Interesting. Well, guys, that's going to do it for another video here from the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic Roller Coaster Project, and I am happy to say crews have placed more track and supports near the first portion of the ride. They have also worked on the second support tower for the top hat. It's all complete. And hopefully, we're gonna have that thing topped off by the end of the week. Of course, we went and checked out the baby Velociraptor, Sierra, and her trainer had on some Jurassic World stuff and even acknowledged Jurassic World. That's pretty interesting. Of course, we're gonna have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.